Censorship resistance means no one can block or erase your action once it's recorded. Imagine tossing a message in a bottle into the ocean. It will keep floating. Let's understand how this works. Welcome to BlockShape. I'm Elliot, here to make finance simple for you. Think about mailing a letter. Usually, a post office could delay it, return it, or even lose it. But what if no one could interfere once you dropped it in the box? Wouldn't you want to know how that works? Picture this. You write a note, seal it in a bottle, and toss it into the sea. No guard can stop it, no gatekeeper can grab it, and the waves carry it freely. That bottle will drift until it reaches someone who picks it up. In blockchain, censorship resistance works the same way. Once you send a transaction, it's added to a chain of records that everyone can see, but no one can secretly block, steal, or erase. There's no single authority deciding which messages are allowed. Instead, the system is built so every valid entry keeps moving forward, just like the bottle riding the waves. Why does this matter? Think of digital receipts, contracts, or even ownership of artwork. If one company or government could erase or block them, your rights could vanish. Censorship resistance ensures that once your record is there, no one can quietly remove it. It protects your valuable assets and keeps them safe from interference. So, now you know what censorship resistance means. Here are the key terms to remember. Censorship resistance. No one can block or erase your valid record. Bottle in the ocean. Metaphor for unstoppable delivery. Blockchain. A shared chain of valuable data blocks that can't be changed, erased, or blocked. And digital assets, receipts, contracts, digital game items, or art that stay safe because no gatekeeper can censor them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.